Hi guys, and welcome back to Ask NK. And in today's episode of Free Friday, we are talking about nothing more than ZBrush free stuff. And the best place to get a lot of ZBrush stuff that has to do with both textures, materials, custom brushes, and all that stuff is BatKing. And just in case you don't know what BatKing is, it's a place where you can get amazing premium quality stuff, and you can also do them a favor by dropping $1 or $2 just to support whatever they are doing there. And how you can get that is go to www.batking.com, and of course I'm going to put all these links in the description. Things you can find directly here in BatKing consist of materials, models, environment props, custom brushes, textures and normals, and also things that has to do with base meshes. Look at these amazing materials. Come on guys, you cannot tell me you don't love this stuff. You can go over and pick these things for yourself. Same thing goes for the environment textures. If you like cracking stuff, good luck to that. And also for the custom brushes, this will save you a ton of time, especially if you're going to use this for creating assets and probably other props that you would want to attach to your character. So instead of spending so much time trying to build this stuff, all these things are free and you can download them from brushes to assets directly here at BatKing. You can also find a couple of tutorials that you can make use of there, and in case you're feeling super happy and you want to support whatever these guys are doing there, you can go ahead and also donate here. Registration on this website is free, and it simply means that once you register, you can select whatever you want, go over to the carts, pay. If you are actually getting something that's free, you don't need to pay. By the way, it is super free, which simply means you don't have to pay for premium, or you don't really need to worry about using them for your personal project. So royalty free, go get it, download it and use it for yourself. The internet is there, you're here, download this and use it. And also don't forget to keep an eye on the notification, because we're planning to do a giveaway very soon within this month. And that is it guys. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. If you like this video, simply give it a like, and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can just smash that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know once we upload a new video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial review, tips and tricks, Free Friday, things like this, peace.